Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Dropbox Plus, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to the Dropbox website at www.dropbox.com. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click sign in. If you do not have an account, click on sign up to create a new one. Complete the sign up form and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once you're signed in, look for the upgrade option on your account dashboard. Click on Upgrade to view the subscription plans available. Locate the Dropbox Plus plan on the page. Review the features included in the Dropbox Plus plan. Click the Choose or Get Started button next to the Dropbox Plus option. You will be directed to the payment page. Select your payment method from the available options. Enter your payment details as prompted. Confirm the billing information is accurate before proceeding. Click the Pay or Start My Plan button to complete your purchase. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message. You now have access to Dropbox Plus features. Explore the additional storage and tools available to you. Enjoy using your new Dropbox Plus subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.